Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to move Roblox to another drive. So first up here is go to your computer home screen as you can see, and then you just need to find the Roblox icon. Now all you need to do is just right click this Roblox icon right here. Now the next step is click on this properties. After you click this one, you'll find this option, and then you just need to click on this open file location right here, and then it will show you up this option. Now all you need to do here is just to go here at the top, which in the search box right here, as you can see my mouse pointer, and here is the current location. Now if we click on these versions here and then click on this Roblox and then click on this local. Now this is the folder that we're going to transfer. So all you need to do is right click this folder here and then click on this cat icon right here at the bottom left corner. Now once you click on this cat, you just need to find the drive where you want to transfer this Roblox folder. So open up this PC folder, and then here currently we are here on this drive C. Now if you want to transfer to drive D, so just click this or double click this drive D. Now here on the blank space, you just need to right click and then click again this paste icon. Now we just need to wait for a few seconds until your Roblox is completely transferred to another drive. Now once you've done transferring your Roblox folder, as you can see here, the Roblox has been moved to the drive D. So that's how you basically move Roblox to another drive. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.